Subsidence in Florida is becoming an increasing problem in recent years due to many factors. In particular, Land O'Lakes, Florida, as well as most of Florida, lies above a well-developed karst and limestone landscape. This karst limestone landscape bedrock is easily dissolvable in water. Once groundwater has a chance to enter fissures in the landscape, it will turn cracks into caves. Therefore, Land O'Lakes is susceptible to sinkholes caused by land subsidence due to the karst terrain. One of the possible causes of an increase in the dangers of sinkholes is due to overpumping of groundwater. Florida's main source of fresh water for consumption, drinking, agriculture, etc., is pumped from the underground aquifers. If the groundwater is overpumped and there are caverns underground due to dissolution of karst rock, then the released pressure from the water that once held up the top of the cave will cause the ground above to readily fall in. Land subsidence can be slow or fast and cause small to very large sinkholes. These holes can happen anywhere, can cost millions of dollars, and are dangerous to people living in Land O'Lakes, Florida. In terms of environmental change, sinkholes will become more prominent if pumping rates continue, which is likely due to an increasing population. Therefore, communities will continue to lose money and valued assets to land subsidence. Sinkholes are impossible to repair if they are large. They can cover up and be masked, but the danger of the unstable soil underneath collapsing or sinking again is very likely. Therefore, residents and business owners who want to sell their property that is in the area of increasing subsidence issues will lose money. This is because no one will want to buy land that could readily collapse into the ground. Possible solutions would include reduction in pumping rates so that caverns do not lose the groundwater that holds them intact, make possible subsidence danger zone maps. If one is planning to purchase property, have it checked by professionals or to repair sinkholes that can be repaired. Although most, if not all, of these solutions are costly, they are better than waiting for a sinkhole to swallow up a building or person. It is cheaper to be safe rather than sorry in the long run for citizens in Land O'Lakes, Florida, where they are realizing the dangers of land subsidence and sinkholes.